You might be wondering why matcha tea is found in every skincare product. I mean, like 90 to 95% of the skincare products you use, matcha tea is found inside. So that's why I'm literally going to come up with a DIY matcha tea facial mask. This is one of my favorite teas. I put it on my face and also I drink it. Okay. Hey besties, my name is Yvonne and here we talk about skincare lifestyle. We make sure you're staying healthy. We make sure you're looking the best version of yourself. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hop in, subscribe, and let's go. So first of all, what you need is your matcha tea powder. So you need your matcha tea powder to literally come up with this mask. So I'm gonna get like a bowl and then I'm gonna get a teaspoon. Yeah, I'm using this. And the next ingredients we're gonna use right here is gonna be our yogurt. So basically you need to use Greek yogurt. You don't want to come up with you don't want to use a kind of yogurt that has some season in it, that's sweet, you know. Just use plain yogurt or Greek yogurt. So you see, we're adding it in here. 1 spoon. And then
add some honey.
Yes, just like Estella said. So we're going to use some honey. So this is raw honey. You can use raw honey or you use manuka honey. That's still fine. So
and this is from bees.
Either one's okay. So let's see. A tablespoon of honey.
It's yummy to my tummy.
This is it. Okay. You willing?
Yeah.
Okay. Go and don't come back. So now let's go ahead and stir. It's dripping, Estella.
Ah, the honey is dripping.
It's okay, don't pick. And so our mask is ready. Now let's apply. I'm gonna go ahead to apply this on my face while I talk to you about its benefits. So first of all, we started about with matcha tea. Matcha tea is very, very good for your skin. It's gonna help you relieve stress. It's basically gonna help your face glow. It's also going to change the look of your face, and also it's basically packed with antioxidants, which are literally going to prevent anything from popping out of your face. So that's it. I really love taking matcha tea because it also helps with losing weight and it helps with bloating. If you're definitely feeling bloated, just take matcha tea, just drink it. So let's go ahead and talk about yogurt. Yogurt is also packed with lactic acid, which are literally great for the skin. And believe it or not, if you just apply yogurt on your face, I mean only yogurt alone, if you're lazy, you're still good to go. But for some of us who are not lazy when it comes to skincare, we will apply everything to make sure that you
look like a monster.
We deal with it, okay? And so with honey is also a great sweetener. If you have sunburn, you can apply honey on your face. If you want your face to be bright, you can apply honey on it.
Can I try?
It helps along with brightness, inflammation. If you feel like your face is burned by some products you use and you feel like, hey, this is something that I use and I wasn't comfortable with it, and you felt like you felt this burning sensation, then you should go ahead and use honey on your face. So I'll recommend honey to you anywhere, anytime. So it's very, very essential. I love applying my mask on my eyelids because it's part of my face. So I love applying it there. Some people don't like it, but if you keep it out, then this area will not look fresh and good like the other areas. So why keep it out? So all you need to do is just to make sure you're putting everything on. And so that'll be what it will be. What will be will be.
Okay, that's enough.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Because that's a lot.
That's enough.
Because that's a lot. Because you look like...
So normally I should have brought this right down, but let's just keep it there. But trust me, you need to bring it right down here. But I'm just showing you guys how it's done. So guys, so this is how it is, and once you apply this, you need to allow it for about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes or more. So I'll be back once it's dried. Okay fam, so at this point the mask is dry already. So you can see it's been on my face for 15 minutes and it's still like this. Okay, so it's dried up already, and you can leave it for as long as you want, but since some patches are dried, so I've decided that I'm gonna wash it off. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me wash it and I'll get back to you. Okay, see. So far I'm back and you can see for yourself. So we're gonna use this paper to wipe out everything. So this is actually my face, just like you see right here. This is it, and if you look keenly, you realize that there are lots and lots of changes. This is my face, no makeup, nothing. Okay, so what I'll do next is to apply this facial serum on my face. So each time you're done with the mask, always try as much as possible to keep your face moisturized. Apply a facial serum or you apply your facial cream so as to keep your face really, really healthy. Make sure you block your pores. You just open it with a mask. Make sure you're blocking it. Okay, so okay, so
Can I see your face?
please, Estella, I'm shooting a video. So guys, this is how my face looks like. You see? I bet you if you try this mask, if you try this for a week, 3 times a week, not every day, 3 times a week, trust me, your face will be really, really amazing. Okay fam, so we've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed everything to the end. If you didn't get anything clearly, just let me know and I'll basically explain everything to you. And yeah, so what else? So if you want to get this serum, you can get it on my website, on our website, www.queenestella.com, and also one more review. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now and see you.